Debbie is on a mission to build her own N-scale layout. If you watched some of my last live streams and the last train show that we went to, you'll see that she was interested in buying some stuff. And you'll see from what I have coming up here shortly what I'm talking about. She's taken over the family room. This is Debbie's craft corner. Okay, from here to there. But she has expanded this corner to there, underneath the TV, on the couch, on this end table over here, on the floor. And what she does is takes these jars right here and vases and paints them. She gets them at the thrift stores, paints them, and then takes them back to the thrift stores, donates them. And now she's taken over my layout over here that I used for my DCC-EX test track. So we'll have more on this. As you can see, she has her work cut out ahead of her, or should I say, I have my work cut out ahead of me. She's got a 4.5, almost 5 foot by 8 foot area to start out with. And you'll be able to see from this next clip that she has a lot of stuff to work with. But she's not finished there, because this Sunday we're going to Zitnik's swap meet to find her some more. I found the tote with all the bridges and the viaducts for the N scale. And I even have some tunnel portals in here. And some rock castings. A lot of good stuff in this one tote here. And a bunch of stuff in the box. I like this bridge here. I gotta find the rest of it. Rest of the piers and stuff. There's that. Got some short tracks here. And a bunch of miscellaneous parts. Here's a bunch of tunnel portals. Here's the rest of the stuff here. We'll go through some of these boxes here. And the person that did this was in Europe, and he all the buildings in here are European style. So I don't know if Debbie wants to use these. She might be able to use some of these in there. I guess that's sidewalks or something. What is it? Is it cute?
It is so cute.
What do you say instead of cute now?
Awesome.
Awesome. Okay. All right. Okay. This is for a station with steps going down. So all kind of good stuff in this one here. All right. Now here's another box. This is just miscellaneous stuff. Not exactly what's marked in the box, but here's a European style train. So I never tested this out here, but we'll have to test these out. Oh, there's a locomotive halfway tore apart, but all kind of good stuff here. I don't know what this is here. Tricks. Tricks are for kids. Okay. German, so I can't tell you what it. Oh, it's another one of those right there. So that's what that is right in this box here. It's a selector for the turnouts. Like, look what it looks like. There's an Atlas switch machine and a switch control. Oh boy, we could probably use that. There's 2 of them. All right, good deal. Here's some of this paper here. This is what they use for the scenery. All right. And this other tote right here is the stuff that I had. Oops, my finger is in the way. And we got some bubble wrap. Now, I think I got this at a train show. That's in scale. There's some stuff here. Some rolling stock. And some other stuff. Okay, we bought this. This looks familiar, huh? Okay, I had that on the layout. I had this on the layout, the barn. This factory right here. The lumber company. All right. There's a suburban station right there. Kit have to put together. Okay. There's a signal bridge. That's HO scale. What's that doing in here? This is N scale stuff. This is factory. That's HO scale. What's this one? HO scale. So there's some HO scale stuff in here. Good stuff. What's this right here? Easy track system. Okay, I don't know what's in here. We'll just open this up. Is that the factory? Yes, that's the factory. This is probably the one that I had when I was a kid. That I had on my first HO scale layout. And that one right there, the schoolhouse, I don't know where that one came from. But this is going to be interesting. So, how you like these buildings here, baby?
I like those.
All right. So, we're going to put some of these back in the box here.
Is that a barn?
Yeah, there's a barn. There's a lumber mill. This is a engine house right here. There's a lumber mill right there. And some other stuff.
All right.
Miscellaneous stuff. And bubble wrap to put in here. And there's one section of the N scale. There's one loop. And I think behind that could be turned around the other way is the other one. Nope. There it is over there behind the pink foam. There's the other side. So it was a double track and a loop going around each way. Up on that part right there was where the barn and the farmhouse was. I had a pond up there. There's a siding right here with 2 legs on it. And underneath that is what is left of Leakin Creek. Okay, so I still have to pull up the track here. So Debbie's going to have fun with all this stuff. We'll have to figure out what she's going to name it because she doesn't have a name for it yet.
Oh, maybe they can give me some
names. Ideas.
Yeah, some ideas.
So we need some ideas of the name. Okay, let's see what's in this box here. I didn't open this one up. So it looks like Probably that right there. Okay. So a lot of this stuff is German stuff, but we'll get to play around with it. I know I have another tote with a locomotive and some other stuff. And let me see over here. That right there. I know there's some track in that thing, that mailer right there. So Debbie's gonna have some fun with this thing.
Woohoo!
Yeah, woohoo! All right, so
Awesome.
awesome. There we go. There she goes. She says, "Awesome." All right, there. All right, there we go. I have a few more totes to go through with an old steam locomotive and some more rolling stock. Don't know which one it is. I only have 6 more totes over here, so I'll have to go through them. A couple of them are marked buildings. I know one's for scenery and one's for trees, so it's maybe down to 2 that I could look through. There's a old steam locomotive in there and some more rolling stock that I had on my old layout when I was back in Naples. So, until the next time, we'll see ya. And wish me luck.